hydraulic manifold design. This is an example manifold, and it's showing us that this is now drawing 2 of 5. Our first one was the schematic. This is just a simple drawing here that shows what the block looks like when the customers purchase the manifold without the cartridges. This is what our block would look like. And again, telling us all the information as far as tolerance and for our material call out. If I go down to the next drawing, this drawing is my manufacturing drawing that shows me the hole locations. On this one it says that the hole on this one is located over on the x-axis at 750 thousandths, and the y-axis is located 625 thousandths. X, y-axis with all of our dimensions coming off of the lower left-hand corner for the datum point. If I move over to the right-hand side view, I have my X and Y axis. Even though this is a different plane, we still want to call this out as X and Y. When it's put in the machine tool to be machined, that's how they're going to reference it, and everything will be referenced again off of this lower left-hand corner being our datum point, showing our hole location, showing us that this is drawing 3 of 5, and then up here we have our top view that also shows X and Y axis and hole location. If we need to show additional views for hole locations, we do that. Right now this only shows 3 views because I've only drawn on 3 surfaces. There's 6 surfaces on this. If there are holes on all 6 surfaces, there should be 6 views, and they should follow the orthographic alignment with lining the views up with each other correctly. So if we go in, we look, here is the next manufacturing drawing. This is calling out that this is drawing 4 of 5. On this drawing, it's calling out views for these, so I've got view A, and any holes on that one, any callouts, will start with the letter A. On my view B, again, showing anything here that is a call out, those will be called out in view B with a designator for that, and likewise in view C. We are not going to give all of the hole information on any of these drawings. We're going to do that in a negative build sheet that there is a separate video on explaining how to use the negative build sheet.